Hola clase, bienvenidos. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre el preterito. Okay, so the topic for today's flipped video is the preterite tense. What is the preterite tense? The preterite tense in Spanish tells what happened at a particular moment in the past. Okay, so essentially the preterite tense is the past tense in Spanish. For example, you might say, I woke up at 6 o'clock this morning. Or I ate breakfast in the kitchen and then I left for school at 7 o'clock. Okay, all of those sentences would be in the past tense and would require us to use the preterite. How do we form the preterite tense in Spanish? We have two steps. Step 1, you need to drop the AR, ER, or IR from the verb. And then step 2, you will add the appropriate ending. If you have an AR verb, your endings are a, aste, o, amos, or aron. If you have an ER or IR verb, your endings are I, iste, io, imos, ieron. You will notice here that I did give you the vosotros on both forms. I like to show these to you, but they will not be on any test or quizzes. Okay, let's see if we can conjugate a few verbs in the preterite tense. First up on your note guide, you will see hablar. Hablar means to speak. Okay, if we wanted to say I spoke or they spoke, we would need to put that in the preterite tense. Okay, to do so, remember we have two steps. Step 1, we drop the AR. And step 2, we add the appropriate ending. Okay, so our preterite conjugation for the verb hablar is hablé, hablaste, habló, hablamos, hablaron. Okay, let's try an ER verb. Okay, the next verb we're going to do is comer. Comer means to eat. And if you wanted to say, oh, I ate breakfast, or they ate in the cafeteria, you would need to put the verb comer in the preterite. To do so, step 1, you're going to drop the ER. And step 2, you're going to add the appropriate ending. So you have here, comí, comiste, comió, comimos, comieron. Okay, let's do a few more practice problems just to make sure we understand. You see here 6 questions. I want you to conjugate all of these verbs in the preterite tense. Use the endings listed above on your note guide, and please pause me while you work through these. Okay, let's check our answers. We have here for I read, yo leí. She left, ella salió. We bought, nosotros compramos. 4, you checked, tú facturaste. 5, they wrote, ellos escribieron. And 6, I studied, yo estudié. Okay, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please take a moment and write that down on your note guide. If you need additional help or additional notes, please go to your online textbook and look at page 65. Okay, muchas gracias. Adiós.